signal will be related, it will correspond with a database that will have the list of the items. So every aisle is, for example, divided in 3 sections. So there are 3 horizontal strips of IR lights. Then they will, as soon as you cross that IR, you will receive the signal on your screen, and the microcontroller will read the signal. It will contact the database, see what list is associated with the binary code, and it will show you the items that are in the database on the screen, where you can touch the items, and the recipes that have that item as an ingredient, they will pop up.
So the supermarkets will need to fit these IR.
Yes, they will have them on the ceiling, or yes.
Have you asked any of the supermarkets if they'd be willing to do this?
Well, we know there is a supermarket in Brazil, Hellmann's product that are using RFID tags, which is very similar. And then their profit is almost as high. From our research, it's 68%. But that project was for only one product, one company, Hellmann's. But we were using it for all the other food. Yes.
On your IR communications, 2 questions. Number 1, have you done any consideration for how you're going to configure these IR transmitters so that you don't get cross-aisle bleed over of your IR signal from reflections and that sort of stuff? And number 2, have you done any experimentation with whatever you're going to be using as a IR receiver to see how well it's going to perform with high fluorescent background light? Is that potentially an issue?
For number 1, we actually can angle the IR signal. So we can measure the height and the angle of the IR signals. And then we're going to have multiple IR transmitters that sense the same signal per
Are you
section.
doing that with lensing or reflectors? How are you doing that?
The IR sensors we were using, the IR sensors we have come with a case, kind of black case. I'm not sure what, I guess it's just plastic, and they make it more directional,
Okay.
like vertical, so we're going to experiment with that.
Last question?
This seems to need a separate device for the user to have as they pass through. So with that in mind, why would people want to use this product other than an app per se?
That was our first concern. Why would you use this? First of all, if you have smartphone, not everybody has smartphone, especially for the seniors and all that. And also, you have to use your data plan for searching for the recipe, and you have to type your recipes. You have to search what this item is. It's time consuming. So that was our main project to reduce the time of searching, and then you don't have to use your data. Yes.
You know, the grocery stores have enough.
Yes, they do. But